I'm a gangster. I'm a gangster.
Shut up.
I'm a gangster. Gangster. I'm a gangster. Gangster.
Many BMW drivers are very lazy.
Oh, that's why Vic is lazy, huh?
He doesn't drive it anymore.
He has a BMW. Bro, you were lazy too. You had a BMW too.
Yeah, when I was 14.
Can somebody order a cartridge?
So like, instead of buying a BMW, buy a Harley. Everyone's gonna call all that cars. You guys can't buy ink.
I don't know what's going on with Sarkis today, but he's in a very happy mood, which is good. It's good to be happy, but I don't know what's going on. So yeah, he's very excited, and he's dancing all day. And I dodged the pen. I almost got hit in the head. That was a good one.
You're gonna sign it and you're gonna give it away to a fan.
Okay, do that.
He only smokes fine cut Dunhills.
Fine cut. I knew it. We're just gonna make a thing. I'm gonna one of this pack. I'm gonna sign it. I just was gonna sell it. Or
You can't ship out tobacco.
Why not?
You can't ship out tobacco. They have to come here to pick it up. So if you guys want the signature cigarette pack from Sarkis, you're gonna have to come here and get it.
And I
We
will
can't.
put like a crystal shifter on it.
Sarkis doesn't have anything to do here, so we made him go buy water and coffee. He probably bought the wrong coffee.
I just brought you water and creamer.
Why you look so tired? How many people do you know that leave to lunch from work and they sleep for 1 hour and come back energized?
All co-workers, they do.
Nobody does that.
They eat.
Secondly, he gets energy, and today he didn't sleep, so he's half brain dead.
So they eat, after that they go to sleep. Okay guys, so this is Vic's car. Vic is right there. So I'm gonna try to test his exhaust. Let me see which one is louder, mine or his. So let's see. That's him. His face because
He's mad.
my car is faster than yours.
No, it's not.
I'm gonna take it to a test drive.
How does it feel to rev a real car?
This is what it is.
Yeah, put on.
The exhaust is not even.
He knows what he's doing. He's not putting it into the modes and stuff. It's on regular mode, and it still sounds better than your car. Only time you're gonna drive a nice car.
Hey. I don't know what's going on
What's
here.
wrong with these people, man? Hey, you idiot! What are you doing?
You dumb piece of stupid idiot.
Act like you're dead. I beat him up for you, sir.
Hey, I don't think he's alive anymore. We got him for you.
Hey, it's fun to drive. Yeah, I stole Rick's car.
Holding the traffic.
Get a Maybach SUV one of these days. We got Tygas over here. This car was originally a dark blue. It is now a satin silver. We do this color a lot. You guys have already seen. We did a Cullinan recently. We've done Urus. Technically a regular wrap, but it really has a cool effect to it. The vehicle itself is gigantic. That's why I think this is really cool in satin silver. All the chrome trims work really well with the silver. That big front end with the grills all mesh and chrome looks incredible. We put on RDB 23-inch one-piece wheels. These are factory fitment, so we used the existing tires. That's why you might not get that same look that you guys are used to with the RDB name, simply because we wanted this thing to ride in comfort just like they're supposed to. We had these wheels on order a few weeks ago. We had it in, we're waiting for this car. So I'm still considering this the first, even though I believe yesterday somebody dropped a picture with one with 26-inch wheels. A little crazy for this thing. Takes away from the comfort in my opinion. This thing, 23-inch, we were the first to order it, measure it up. and now it's on the car. It's a GLS 600 if you guys don't know. This is the new Maybach SUV. Pretty trendy. I think it's dying down a little bit because honestly it's just a big SUV. Looks cool, but it's just really not what you guys think, like the older Maybachs. I'm super excited for the Maybach S-Class, to be honest, but this thing is a little too much for me. The front end is really beefy. Signature Maybach has that vertical slits, looks really cool. Really, the running board's really awesome because it's gigantic. You don't see it at all. It's completely integrated and hidden, but once you open the door, that really gigantic side step comes out, which is exaggerated in the back, so you get more footstep. It's got that luxury interior that Maybach is known for. Again, I don't think it's anything all that, but it's pretty cool. It has a little interface in the middle that you could use. You could put your feet up, so that's kind of cool. It is a huge car, so it better have that in my opinion. The Maybach rear end of this thing when you're driving looks incredible. All that chrome all around. A lot of chrome trims, and it's pretty beefy, especially now we have the RDB wheels on there. They're a little bit more offset wise aggressive, so this thing actually looks pretty wide from the back now. It's got the big thing in the middle because this is where the fridge is, so you take away from the trunk space there. Got a cool little Maybach logo up there. Everything is still covered up because it is a brand new car, of course. RDB plate, which matches the car perfectly, obviously. Black, chrome, red. RDB plates are honestly the best look for any luxury car. As we look at this car more, something keeps throwing me off about it, and I think we just realized what it is really. The front bumper is very short. The rear is actually really long. When you look at it from the side, the front has a big gap and the back has less gap. So that's taking away from the design of it. If somebody wants, we could lower that front look. We could actually add our own little body kit. There's nothing on the market for it, obviously, body-wise. But we can make something to make this look better. It'll look 10 times better. But for now, yeah, that's what we noticed. I give it up to the interior. Interior is really dope. The display's crazy. If you saw it at night, you'd see all the lights glowing everywhere. There's all single display. You have like a touch panel. Obviously it says Maybach. So really clean. Drives really well. This car drives amazingly well. If you get over the design aspect of it and you like the interior and comfort, this is dope. A lot of people really showed off this car with the jumping mode or whatever you guys want to call it. It's really an off-road assistant. So basically you have to have it in off-road mode, and then you go to off-road assistance right down here, and this is recovery mode. So off-road assistant, recovery mode. Here, it's very sensitive, so people are messing with it. This is how you have to do it. So off-road mode, off-road assistant, recovery mode. Your foot, you have to actually be in gear, so you have to be in drive. You press start and it starts slowly trying to bounce. You could kind of drive off, which is what we're doing right now. You can't go too fast, it'll deactivate, but we are slowly hopping around at 6 miles per hour right now. It gets more and more aggressive. Maximum speed 9 miles per hour, as you can see. So this is not made for fun. This is made to actually get out of tough situations when you're off-roading, when you're in mud, sand, whatever. It's made to jump out of it, which is really, really awesome. If you guys understand suspensions, it's mind-boggling how aggressive and fast it goes up and down. Pretty impressive by Mercedes there. So most of these cars videos you see online is that jumping mode, but it is really a very functional thing. We tested some 23-inch RDB wheels on it. We're gonna actually take them off and put the original wheels back on. Original wheels are really nice too, but we like to test out every car, see how it drives with it. Drives great and everything, but yeah, so we're gonna get this car ready for Tyga.
Hey, you want a massage?
Yeah, sure.
Like this. Right. Hey.
Oh, come. I will buy you something.
What?
Anything you want, come.
Anything I want.
Yeah.
I can buy myself.
What do you want? Chips?
What about your peanuts?
You want peanuts?
No, I don't like peanuts.
Okay,
for you, your peanuts.
What do you want? Tell me.
Huh?
You want me to buy you Twix,
No,
Snickers?
I don't like chocolate.
It's on me. You can get anything you want.
Didn't Vic give you that money?
No. You want drink? Red Bull?
No. Let's see the calories. Oh, look at this. 440 calories. That's a lot, bro.
You want it?
No.
Sarkis don't give a damn about calories.
I'll see you.